Today at the Central Washington Agriculture Museum, we wanted to introduce you to Major Crash. This is an unusual vehicle. It's all pieced together, it's modified, and we're going to talk about it here on All Vehicles Great and Small. I'm your host, Tammy Walker. Major Crash is just a great modified vehicle. For example, right here is just a hammerhead. I don't know why. But this looks like it's pieced together from the cab of a Power Wagon, maybe the 50s. And the bed is a 1960s Dodge. And I believe there's a GMC V8 under the hood. This is that double butterfly hinged hood. Bring it up and take a look inside. What you do is you pull this little latch to unlock it, and then you can just pick it up and roll it over. Got this big air cleaner you often see on these V8s. And there's not much known about this vehicle. It's just interesting to take a look at it. Still got some good oil in there. It's not too bad. We got that V8. We've got our radiator, our fan, our alternator. Back here we've got our little fuel filter, radiator hoses. Dirty vehicle. Let me put my gloves on.
Even though there's not a lot of information on this vehicle, we still wanted to share it with you because we found it very fascinating, and maybe you will
Let's
too.
look at the front end here. Look at the size of this fender put on here. This is really just gigantic. Nice big headlights. Come down here to the modified bumper. Got your grill in here. I love that. I mean, this actually could be useful. I just don't know
it's
what
a tow
for.
hook.
It's a tow hook. It's a smart tow hook. Come around here. Design. Let's see. Let's take a look at this rim. Let's see. It says Selectro, disengage, engage, heavy duty. 4-wheel drive unit, so I could just turn it like I did on the Jeep. Go.
I have a 5-lug rim. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But it's a military style rim. So if you were out in the field, you could take these bolts out. This section of the rim comes off, and you can change the tire yourself out in the real world.
And look at the inside here. We got some vents going. And over here, I don't really know what this thing is for. I would think this was for a door bumper, so your door didn't bump, but
That's for a mirror something.
Something there, okay.
Aftermarket assembly.
This is our vent, so you can open this vent up from the inside and let fresh air in. And come down here. Let's take a look. Now we've got an added battery box here. Okay, we have our gas tank. Oh, this one's a key lock. I can't open it. And let's take a look at this mishmash bed. Look at these rims down here. You got military design without the 4-wheel drive hub. We've got a roll bar in the back and a bang board, and enough parts and pieces to make something else out of this vehicle if we want. We've got our tailgate. We've got the Dodge emblem on it. Lock it up with that. We've got our tail lights. Got our rounded edges here. What do we got down here? Old Washington plate. I can't tell you what time or what year was last registered. Major crash. It has a dual exhaust system. Again, we got that tail light. And a spare tire right here. Got this mirror here. I love it. This is such a great vehicle. Open that up. I love these windows. Yeah, the Snowcats, they had these style. Wow. 2 nice seats put in here. They got some shag carpet. This looks like a place to put your pencils. Your beers.
Drink holder. That's what that is.
Here you can roll that to move that forward. Call that a gun rack. Oh, it stinks in here. Okay. These handles are a lot like our 69 Jeep. Okay, what kind of dashboard we got? Let's take a look. All right, let's take a look at the steering wheel. Beep, beep. And put your drinks in there. Got a toggle. We have got our battery charge gauge. Our amperes. Our oil pressure. Our speedometer. Let's take a look at that. And we got our fuel gauge. And our temperature, I'm going to guess. We've got some toggles here, some knobs here. Got our key ignition. Got our throttle with a lock. I'm not sure. And our glove box. Look at that. And we'll come down here. We've got our shifter back there. Our main shifter here. And we have our clutch, our brake, and our gas. I don't see a bright switch or a starter switch down there. Here's our shifter. I see the heater core back there. And then this other shifter here. So a little area you can open up and get into the transmission if you need. And this is our little mishmash of vehicle. Major crash. If you have any comments or stories you want to leave about some modified vehicle, we would love to hear it down below. And please remember to like and subscribe to our channel. It really helps us grow. Thanks for watching.